We got some cattle along the road. Mamas and papas and babies here. They're coming to investigate us. And look at us and see. Hello, folks. Yep, farewell.
Dinosaurs and then some modern dinosaurs with the birds that we have out here. So this is Dinosaur Tracks recreation site, and here we actually have some dinosaur tracks kind of in the rock right here. Essentially what you're looking at is three toes, right? And if you notice over there on the right, you see
We're looking for dinosaur tracks.
Sign?
Oh, okay. This one's kind of hidden.
Yeah, it is.
Hike up a little bit.
Yep.
In between a bunch of rocks here, but all right. All right, had one person slip. We got to go back down to the bottom, and some of these dinosaur impressions on the rocks are hard to see. They are there, but got to be careful going down here. It's going to be slippery. Got to watch it. All right. Still got to go down a little further here, but still got to take it easy here because here we go. This is another one here.
That's the one we started with.
Yeah, right here, the one we started with. I'll put my hand there so you can see it. Part of it's missing here. There should be another one here.
Yeah, that's what's on the sign over there. It showed
it's the big one.
It off.
All right. Well, the winds are picking up today, and I forgot to get my foam cover for the GoPro out of my suitcase, so you're going to hear the wind noise. But we're at the Dinosaur Tracks Park, and a lot of these rocks fell down from up top, came down here. Some of the footprints are a little hard to see. They are marked, but they are there, and there could be many, many more hidden in those rocks and pieces that will eventually fall down or underneath some of these other rocks here. But all right, I think we're in Utah, June the 8th, and local time, I don't know, every time we cross the border the time changes here, so it's morning.